Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use the Magnifier tool. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Type Magnifier and select the Magnifier app from the search results. The Magnifier tool will open. And you will see options for different magnification modes. Click on the mode you prefer: full screen, lens, or docked. By default, the magnifier starts at 100% magnification. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the magnification level. Click on the gear icon labeled Options to access settings. In the settings window, you can choose options such as tracking the keyboard focus, following the mouse cursor, and more. Press Windows key and plus key simultaneously to zoom in. Press Windows key and minus key simultaneously to zoom out. Press the Control key and scroll the mouse wheel to adjust magnification. As you move your cursor, the area around it will be magnified according to your settings. If using the lens mode, only the area around the cursor will be magnified. If using docked mode, a separate window will display the magnified content. To exit the magnifier tool, simply close its window. The magnifier tool is particularly helpful for tasks that require close examination of on-screen details, whether you are reading small text, viewing images, or navigating complex interfaces. The magnifier tool can make these tasks much easier.